So
Yes,
paano
ma'am.
'yan
Yes,
sir,
ma'am.
paano 'yan 'no, para lang sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan 'no, how does it
Mm.
work? I
Mm.
the way I see it in your schedules, meron tayong everyday social pension
Yes, ma'am.
payout. Sino yung mga beneficiaries natin dito? Paano natin natukoy ang ating mga
Okay po,
beneficiaries?
okay po. So yung sa social pension payout ma'am, banggitin lang po natin 'no, this is a nationally funded program. So yung mga nabanggit ko po kanina like Unlad Pamilyang Bangsamoro, that is
Mhm.
a regular program na galing po sa General Appropriations Act for the Bangsamoro. Sariling programa po ito na dinevelop ni Ministry, but
Mhm.
there are nationally funded programs na kami po yung nag-i-implement sa Bangsamoro region. Katulad po niyan, kasama na diyan yung Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program, yung nabanggit ko kanina, Sustainable Livelihood Program, at kasama yung social pension 'no for indigent senior citizens.
Mhm.
So, yung preliminary po list or yung master list natin for indigent senior citizens, they emanate po from the national government, no, from the Department of Social Welfare and Development, and then validated po 'yan ng ating mga social workers on the ground. So, yan
Mhm.
po yung pinanggagalingan ng ating mga listahan para sa mga beneficiaries natin. And then ma'am, hindi lang po SOCPEN din, no? Meron din pang isang, gusto ko lang din po banggitin, meron pang isang regular program si MSSD na magpe-payout din sa Lanao del Sur,
Uy.
yung KUPKOP program. Ma'am, banggitin ko
Mhm.
lang, very important ito.
Kopkop, when you say kopkop,
Ah,
parang adaptation 'no?
yung
Um,
KUPKOP program po natin ma'am is for mga orphans. So yung mga
okay.
orphans po na under the care already of their usually grandmothers,
Mhm.
grandfathers, no? Parang ganun po yung ano natin sa KUPKOP. And case managed din po ito ma'am, and grabe yung mga success stories na
Mashallah.
naririnig natin regarding this. Meron yung nakikita natin yung meron ng ipon para sa mga bata pa lang na orphans.
Wow.
Like one of the best practices I remember during our field visit in the special geographic area, ma'am, no? So very challenging area yung sa special geographic area. They enrolled, no? And alhamdulillah, Land Bank also allowed. Merong kiddie
Wow.
account yung Land Bank.
Oh,
And then
okay.
inallow nila mag-enroll, mag-open. So may sariling bank account yung bata. Of course, may guardian po yung may access, pero the fact na may ganun po na like it really institutionalizes the value and recognition we give to children's rights as well.